You already know! This is harassment!
Stop yelling, please.
You aren't gonna touch! Stop! I'm not even doing anything! I am not doing anything! I am not doing anything!
I'm gonna put you in handcuffs with the back.
On September 6th, 2024, officers responded to a confirmed retail theft call at a local Target store. A female subject was observed by loss prevention personnel concealing and exiting with a large quantity of unpaid merchandise. What followed was a physical arrest that raises a critical question: when does non-compliance with a lawful order legally justify physical force?
So she's carrying 3 full bags of merchandise.
Okay.
She's coming out because she's gonna go exit. Actually, she's going south side of doors.
Okay.
She's out in 3, 2, 1. She should be out. She's in the vestibule.
Hey, police, how's it going? Put the bags down.
I didn't do anything!
Oh, brother, put your bags down.
This is everything I came in with!
Put your bags down.
I did not do anything! I didn't do anything!
Drop your bags, please.
I didn't do...
Let's stay cordial, okay? Just put your bags
Why
down.
are you...
Could you take your backpack off as well? You have to.
That is bullshit!
Take your backpack off.
That is bullshit!
Take your backpack off. You're going to go in handcuffs with your backpack on. So.
This is bullshit!
Okay.
It is harassment!
What do you want to do?
Stop! I didn't even do anything!
I'm gonna
go away. So you have to listen to him.
Is this you guys?
No, so the bag she's sitting on is ours, but there is
No, I came in with all this!
I'm gonna cut this backpack off you if you don't.
You aren't gonna touch! Stop! I'm not even doing anything! I am not doing anything! I am not doing anything!
I'm gonna put you in handcuffs with the backpack.
Stop! That's harassment! You're not even supposed to put your hands on me without a female! You are breaking the law!
Take off her hands. All right.
This is mine! Yeah!
Just
Stop!
Mom, just stop. Give me your other hand, ma'am.
I wasn't even doing anything!
If you want
I wasn't doing anything!
Stop resisting!
I wasn't! I was sitting on my stuff! That's all I was doing!
Look at 2 work code for you. Have 1 person.
Can you stop yelling, please?
You hurt me! Get him away from me!
We're gonna stand you
Get
up.
away from me!
Stand up, alright?
He's gonna help you, okay?
I'm gonna help you stand up.
No one touch you. He's gonna help you.
Please!
He won't. Don't worry about
Let
him.
me breathe!
Let me help you
I
up,
can't do anything!
I'm gonna help you up.
I thought you were fighting.
No. She's just. I mean, she's a female, so I can't get too like physical with her. Also, it's optics and all that, so. Where's Cody? All right, I'll start taking stuff out, and then you start letting me know what's going on. This is London.
We don't carry cold.
Let me put her in here for now.
Yeah, like he's on.
Stephanie, why are you going through every
Narrows my...
Okay.
That is bullshit!
Is this you guys as well?
I don't think so. She had this water bottle when she came in.
There's a pink one as well.
Oh, whichever one she had when she came in, I can tell you if it's mine. That's the one she had when she came in. I don't think so. That one.
This all yours?
This is.
These are.
I don't know if the husky stuff. I think is probably like Home Depot or something.
Yeah, this is probably also Home Depot.
If it's not yours, I was gonna put all your merchandise here.
Okay.
For photo.
This is like all. This is mine. This is the tag this year.
Okay. Anything that's not yours, I'll take off.
Are all these Huskies?
No, we only sell. We sell like the Gerber like
This is for
cheap.
I feel very violated right now.
Yeah, this bag's gonna be from wherever this stuff's from. Cheese and
It could be Home Depot.
yeah. Don't we go drive over to Home Depot?
Yeah. Once we start all the stuff, it's either Home Depot or Lowe's. Otherwise, you could just throw it in my car and I could do it tomorrow. This is you?
Yeah.
None of this is yours, right?
None of the Husky branded stuff. These.
Or is this yours?
I can check and see.
It's got a tag on it.
The backpack isn't.
No. Came in the purple and the Husky bag.
So I searched the black bag. All these tools, these hatchets, all this stuff was in there, and he said it's not theirs.
Okay.
And the bag's brand new too.
The best guess for the bag would be Home Depot.
Can decide at any time to exercise his right.
All of you have done something. Shut the fuck
Yeah, let's do it.
That's also.
All of this is yours?
Yep, everything right here is mine.
Batteries and then
We'll just take the photo on the ground then.
Are you telling me I'm crazy?
No, I'm asking why you're
That's all in my head?
Okay.
we'll call this back and ask you.
Yeah, I'll pull my car up and grab it. Do you have big bags? Huge bags? Oh, we could just use that. Look at that. Damn.
It's a lot of knives, man. Can't screw her.
I think she's familiar.
Yeah, I know. That's the point. Are you gonna take the pepper spray?
Yeah, she's getting. Well, I'll ask Sarge if he wants to book because it's an $850 total.
That is bullshit!
Do you have clothes on under
You're
this?
taking stuff that doesn't even belong.
They're going through all of the property to determine
No!
what you took. Yes, they
They're
are.
taking
And
shit! I just
Stop.
watched it!
They're sorting through everything
I
because there's
just
stolen merchandise in the car.
watched it!
There's stolen merchandise in the bags. You exited with merchandise you didn't pay for.
Not those bags! No,
They're going
I
to go
did
through all of
not!
it. They're going to go through all of it.
That's bullshit!
Knife.
God damn it!
What's your last name? Stephanie, do you have ID in one of those bags?
No!
Okay, what's your last name?
Richard! Oh, God damn you!
Richards?
Stop! God damn you, Bombstick!
You're under arrest for all the merchandise that you took without paying for
No!
it. Yes.
Bombsing!
All that stuff in the gray bag? Or else target stuff?
Bombsing!
Take your feet in the car. Take your feet in the car. Turn and face the front. Stephanie, face the front. Face the front. You're 40 years old.
And you already know this is harassment.
It's not harassment.
Yes, it is.
How is it harassment if you took property that didn't
Stop.
belong to you?
Just stop.
That's what I'm asking you to do.
It is wrong. What do you expect me to
Steal?
do? Stop. You know.
I have no idea why you're behaving like this.
Stop. Just stop. This isn't right. It isn't
The amount of merchandise that
right.
So this isn't harassment. You brought this upon yourself.
Yes, it is.
No, when you steal, you bring the attention upon yourself.
Yes, it is.
How is it harassment? How is it harassment, Stephanie?
Because you know how. Oh.
You keep saying that, but obviously I don't know how it's harassment.
You're trying to make me a rat.
I didn't ask you to say who you're stealing it for.
No, you are.
No, I basically said you were
Okay.
caught stealing.
Okay.
And I'm just asking.
Are you telling me I'm crazy?
No, I'm asking why you're
That's
behaving
all
like
in my head.
No, never said that. I'm just trying to figure out why you're behaving the way you are. Is there a reason why you're crying the way you are?
Yeah, because it hurt.
What hurt?
You guys are supposed.
What hurt,
Just
Stephanie?
Stop.
What hurt?
Just stop.
I can stop asking you questions that you don't want to talk to me, but I'm just trying to find out what happened. I'm trying to find out why you're acting the way you are.
For one thing, the dipshit didn't need to tackle me.
Okay.
He had no right to put his hands on me.
You'd committed a theft.
I wasn't fighting him. I wasn't doing anything.
Okay. And were you behaving the way you are now? Were you behaving the way you are now?
No, not until he started to pull my hands and.
So he put his hands on you to stop you?
No, I was sitting on the bag. I was sitting there.
Okay, what did he tell you to do? What did the officer tell you to do?
He said to take the backpack off. I was trying to calm down because there was no reason to make me take it off.
Well, you just said you weren't behaving like this, and you're saying you needed to calm
That's
down.
bullshit. That is bullshit.
Stephanie, are you hurt anywhere? No? Okay.
Now, let's break down the legal analysis. The Fourth Amendment requires probable cause before any custodial arrest. Here, real-time surveillance by loss prevention personnel established that threshold before officers made physical contact. Under Illinois v. Wardlow, 2000, the subject's evasive movement further strengthens, not weakens, the lawful basis for detention. Building on that foundation, the officer issued verbal commands for approximately 90 seconds before any physical contact consistent with Level 2 of the use of force continuum. That documented patience matters. It establishes that de-escalation was genuinely attempted, which directly bears on the proportionality analysis that follows. And proportionality is precisely where this case becomes legally complex. Under Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386-1989, use of force is evaluated against three factors: the severity of the crime, the immediacy of the threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting. Here, a nonviolent property offense, no weapon displayed, active physical resistance present, 2 of 3 factors do not support hard physical force. Active resistance alone is insufficient to justify a takedown under the Graham standard. That gap becomes even more significant when viewed through the use of force continuum. Soft, empty hand control wrist locks, escort techniques, sits between verbal commands and a takedown. That intermediate level was bypassed entirely. Graham's proportionality requirement does not permit skipping levels without documented justification. This is the central legal vulnerability in the officer's use of force decision. Compounding that vulnerability, the officer's on-camera statement acknowledging restraint due to optics creates a direct, factual inconsistency with the prior takedown. Under 42 U.S. Section 1983, contemporaneous statements made by the officer at the scene are admissible evidence. In any civil rights claim, that statement will be examined as evidence of the officer's own awareness that the force applied was borderline. Shifting to the arrest itself, under Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S. 318-2001, custodial arrest is constitutionally permissible for any offense carrying criminal penalties, including felony-level theft. The formal arrest announcement is legally sufficient. However, post-arrest verbal commentary by the officer, while not triggering Miranda versus Arizona absent formal interrogation, reflects poor professional judgment and creates unnecessary civil exposure without any legal benefit. Finally, in this cluster, the subject's account that she was complying when force was applied creates a factual dispute that courts will resolve by examining the totality of the body cam record, not either party's narrative alone. Separately, inconsistent surnames provided during identity verification may constitute a standalone offense under statutes criminalizing false identification to law enforcement. The post-force injury inquiry is procedurally required. The subject's reported pain triggers a documented obligation to offer medical evaluation. Grades. The arresting officer receives a C+ probable cause was solid, and verbal commands were exhausted, but bypassing soft control before a takedown on a non-violent offense conflicts directly with Graham's proportionality standard. Secondary officer Michael receives a B. He de-escalated appropriately post-confrontation. Subject Stephanie receives a C. The Fourth Amendment does not confer a right to physically resist a lawful arrest. The remedy for an unlawful arrest is the courts, not the scene. Key lessons. Officers Graham versus Connor demands proportionality at every step. Document force, justification contemporaneously, on camera, and in the report. Citizens. Physical resistance to a lawful arrest generates additional criminal liability and eliminates the moral clarity needed for any subsequent legal challenge. Department's body cam audio captured post-arrest is fully discoverable in litigation. De-escalation training must extend through the entire encounter, not end at the moment of arrest. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.